What's up, guys? In this segment, we're going to go and drive for dollars. I'm going to show you what I look for whenever I'm trying to find distressed properties. I'm going to tell you the signs of a vacant house, of a house that's probably neglected or not lived in. I'm going to show you what I look for when I'm targeting houses. So stay tuned, follow along. If you have any questions, please let me know. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're leaving right now a house that I actually took over from a failed investor. A lender gave it to me essentially for free, carried back all the mortgage and everything. This neighborhood we're in Cincinnati at Columbia Tusculum is a super transitional neighborhood. The houses are okay. They're either honestly fine or they're very, very nice. So look around here. Like, these are just old rundown houses. Now, I'm not saying this is necessarily where we drive for dollars, but it's definitely an area I pay attention to whenever I'm down here. So down in this part of the neighborhood, I would definitely use this area as a place to throw signs. I wouldn't throw a ton of signs, but I would probably dedicate 10 to 20% of what I throw around here. Why? What makes it different? Well, I am a big believer in you got to throw signs where your investors live. Investors are not living around here, that's for sure, but they are investing around here. So just if we left my rehab just a minute ago, we see these up here we're approaching. All these are getting renovated right here, brand new. You see signs just on the side of the road, new housing coming here, land is for sale, which is a sign that they're going to put up $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 houses here. So the value of all these places are going to just skyrocket once that happens. So this is an area that I would definitely pay a lot of attention to and drive for dollars at, and also look for some investors too, because they're going to be coming down here, whether it's to look at properties or to look at whatever they currently own. So find a pocket like that in your area, in your neighborhood, in your city, where you're seeing the transitions. I mean, there's a brewery that just opened up, another restaurant right here. This whole area is better this year than it was last year. So these are just all telltale signs of just an economic boom in an area that maybe you never thought about going to. So I encourage everybody to go out, go look in their city, go to a place you haven't been to in a while, go drive the streets, go see what's going on there, get involved and get out there, because that's the best way to really get leads and to see what's happening. So you're the expert, whether you've done one deal, 100 deals, or 4 deals, or 0 deals, it doesn't matter. You need to eat, breathe, and sleep this and become the best, because people are going to count on you. And the more people can trust you, the easier it's going to be for you to sell them houses on the back end. The more you're going to know what to say on the front end when you're meeting with sellers, and the more you're going to be able to identify a house for what it's going to be, maybe not exactly what it is now. So the best way in anything is just practice, and you practice by doing. So this is no different. Get out there, get involved in the business, get involved seeing stuff. So those are a few examples of what I look for whenever I'm driving for dollars in certain neighborhoods that I decide I want to target. So stay tuned. We're gonna go over a few more things about where I definitely put signs where investors are, what I look for in those neighborhoods next. So here we go.